Inside the 37 on his outside is Zandro Jacobs, no slouch out there whatsoever either. The 98.
Ja, hier komt een grote race. Ja, Stokrots, nee?
I think it's a 3-4.
Hulle is 'n groot groep. Hulle is opgedeel in tweeën. So die eerste groep is nou pits toe gestuur. Nou 'n bietjie gaan herstelwerk doen. En nou kom die tweede ene. Ja, hierdie gaan 'n groot wees, hoor. Hier is 2 jocks in hierdie groep. En hulle verstaan, hoor. Nou ja, kom ons kyk 'n bietjie wat van hier gebeur.
On the day, and from there on out, he's always been a factor at any race meeting that he goes to, so keep an eye on him. But AJ LaRue going one-on-one with Brummer on the front end of the grid. That is going to be something else going down towards turn number 1. I don't believe anybody will get past either of them very easily. Rian Jacobs with the black Corsa on the inside line. And then on the outside, as I said, of the front row, Zandro Jacobs. Keep an eye on Gavin Swart in the body complete car, the man from Capicalis Raceway, on the inside of Jacques Combrook, Ruan Chippy Becker in the GNR trucks and snap change car. DA Automotive also involved with that one. Chippy Becker coming off the 4th row of the grid, but he will be competitive from there. It's a matter of time, and he'll work his way through the Ice Princess in the 98 car. That is Kelly Dowling. Looks like the two of them are going to swap positions. Ruan will go to the outside, Kelly will go across to the inside. Anders van Niekerk and then Jacques Stammer coming off the back of the pack. Keep an eye on Jacques Stammer off the back of the pack. The Sharp Bike to Spool and Spa sponsored car. And the 1600s is sponsored by the Oka Motors. AJ LaRue works his way around. Can anybody beat him from flag to flag? If anybody can, it's going to be the man alongside him. I think it's going to be whichever of those two comes out of turn number 1 in front is a very possible overall race winner. That's one hell of a statement to make in a group of cars like this. Second group of the Motors, Stokrots of the line they go, and it's probably gets a good run right there. As Scotland drops down, it's AJ LaRue that drops into that second. It's Brummer that's going to lead the line. And then Jimmy Becker is already up in the position. Is So there's Captain Dean, the big hitters are already coming through and coming through first.
Ja, baie geluk Jacques, Brummer. Joe! Dit was 'n reis hoor. Baie geluk. Jy het weer ook gery het. Baie geluk, jy het 'n goeie reis gery. Jo. Dit was taaf geweest hoor. Okay. Yes.
Kan reg kry om so ver op te kom nie, maar hy het